There's a very peculiar feeling, and sometimes it's this very feeling that leads people into different types of emotional work and tapping, like what we're going to do on this video. Just a sense of like, I don't really feel like I even belong here, like I'm even from this planet, right? It can be a combination of feeling isolated or past rejections, traumas, but sometimes it's just this sort of fundamental feeling. So it can be a very strange, very challenging thing. And I've seen it come up in multiple people that I may have worked with one-on-one or in my group call as well. So let's do some tapping here and see if we can help you address that feeling, help bring some perspective, perhaps some relief if you're experiencing this. So let's go to the side of the hand and repeating after me, even though it feels as though I don't really belong here. It's so uncomfortable and strange to me. And there's such an inner tension that seems like something must be off. And I choose to have some compassion for myself and all the ways I might have tried to reconcile this. And even though I really have this feeling, like I don't even belong here. Everything about what I see and experience just seems so foreign and strange to me. I don't seem to share the same goals or interests. I don't feel comfortable. And that's very strange and hard to deal with. And I choose to have compassion for myself, even though I have this feeling. Like I'm not sure I'm even from this place. I don't fit in, I don't belong here. Not just, on a social level. It feels deeper than that. It's hard to make sense of. And it may even go into judgment at times of this world, other people, or myself. And I choose to honor and accept myself anyway where I'm at. And look to open my mind and my heart to different ways that I might be able to find more peace here. Okay, let's go through the points now. It really feels like I don't belong here. Like I'm an alien on this planet who looks human, but it just feels so off to me. I don't feel comfortable here. I might feel physically uncomfortable here. Emotionally, psychically. It just feels like there's something off. Maybe it feels like I'm remembering something, or I've forgotten something that creates a sense like where I'm at in this world is not right. And that can be really confusing. How could this have happened? Maybe I look around at other people and it seems like they're dealing with this place much better than I am. And all the different places that might take my mind. Sometimes it might show up that I'll be thinking, well, maybe I'm superior in some way. And other times it might appear like there's something wrong with me, or I'm broken, or it's a mistake that I'm here. Whichever ways it shows up for me, I'm allowing myself to connect and welcome up the feeling itself. Because behind all of this has to be a feeling of discomfort or dissatisfaction. And it's not fun to look at that. But that's what this tapping is for. Because if I was feeling great and satisfied, I probably wouldn't even have come to this conclusion. That I somehow don't fit or don't belong. So how would I connect to that feeling of I don't belong here? What does my body start to feel like? Noticing any tension or resistance, desire to run or hide. What is the quality of some of the thoughts or memories? Are there any particular disappointments or dissatisfactions arising? Maybe it's just a general underlying sense. And not going into anything too intense for me, but bringing awareness to this feeling. And giving that my attention and support. Because whether I'm supposed to be here or not, or whatever the metaphysics are, I am here. And this feeling, this experience in my mind and body, could use some support. Any unvented frustration, any feedback loops of judgment and trying to make sense of it. Just allowing the emotion behind it to be felt and expressed in whatever way is right for me right now. I want to give myself the space to focus on actually resolving whatever I can here. To worry less about why I feel this way, or should I be here or not. And use this innate ability within myself to actually support myself, to process the emotion and energy behind this, to uncover whatever past experiences might need to be looked at a little more, so that whether I'm from here or not, I can feel better while I'm here. Letting go of any identity of being the outsider, or any emotional attachment to being the outsider, and allowing me to shift my attention on supporting myself to feel better. Because that's what really matters. And I deserve that. And if I'm supposed to be on another planet or somewhere else, I'll probably get there more smoothly. I'll probably get wherever I need to get in this life or the next. The more peace I'm able to feel while I'm here. So just opening up more and more to that as I move forward. Okay, take a breath. I hope that supports you. I hope that was helpful. If it brought up anything you want to do some tapping on, I do work one-on-one. I do have a group call. Info is in the description. Let me know any comments if you want requests for anything to tap further on in video format like this. Thanks so much for your support. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thanks again.